When you're first getting into the hobby of woodworking, you're not thinking about dust collection as your first tool purchase. You're thinking about table saws, miter saws, joinery. Dust collection is on the bottom of your list, or at least it was for me. Dust collection has been a huge important factor in my woodworking journey today, and I wanted to showcase to you 2 solid options for dust collection that I use around my shop. When I first started woodworking, I thought I would just clean up afterwards. I had a broom and a dustpan and a large floor sweep, and I would just brush the sawdust out of the garage. Well, that later proved to be a very difficult solution. The problem was that every project seemed to leave behind a larger quantity of dust than the project before, and I found myself being unable to keep up with all of the sweeping of dust. And no matter what I did, it always seemed to come back more and more. And I realized I didn't have a cleaning problem, I had a dust collection problem. Now, that dust collection problem made me realize that I needed a new solution. And I've come up with 2 different solutions that I use around my workshop that I want to introduce you to today. The first option that I introduced in my shop is a RIDGID shop vac connected to a 5-gallon bucket separator called the dust topper. That has been a great device. I've paired that with a Cen-Tec dust hose, which connects to a boom arm. It is a quick click dust hose, and that dust hose has a lot of different attachments that I can connect to all of my tools. The boom arm allows me to travel around my small shop and pick up all the dust with a floor sweep, different attachments for tools, and for my workshop, it has been one of the best upgrades that I've ever done. And I want to tell you about how this came to be. Like a lot of woodworkers, when I first started off, my dust collection system was non-existent. I had a broom and a dustpan, and sometimes I didn't even clean up after myself. I would just leave sawdust all over the workshop. I would track it onto my shoes, track it all over, and even sometimes track it inside. That was a huge problem. I needed a solution. If you have other tools like sanders, those are the fine particles that are still floating around in the air that you need to capture at the source. And a broom and dustpan is really not going to be able to capture all of those. So a dust collection system is really your only option. Now, the dust collection research is a rabbit hole. A lot of folks will get into static pressure. They'll deep dive into CFMs. They'll talk about airflow calculations, centrifugal dust collectors, cyclone separators, blast gates, filters, HEPA filters, all of that. And don't get me wrong, a lot of those systems are amazing, but in my shop, I like to keep it fairly simple. So why did I choose a shop vac as my dust collection setup? Well, those large dust collectors, the 2 horsepower, the 1.5 horsepower large units with 5 micron filters or even 2 to 1 micron filters, those are great, but they're massive in size. Some of them take 220 volt or 240 volt, and all I really have in my shop is 120 volt. And so I needed to keep something conservative as well as cost effective for my small shop. That's what turned me to shop vacs. Shop vacs are fairly affordable. You can usually find them on specials at your local retailers, and they're a quick solution that comes with hoses and some attachments to really get you started. When you're ready to upgrade your shop vac, there's a few things that you can do. Here is an example of a RIDGID shop vac with a quick click separator from Cen-Tec Systems. These pair very well together and they are both wall mounted. This is one of my options for really cleaning the floor in the expanded part of the garage. The workshop is supported by my dust separator and shop vac here, and then I have a wall mount set up for the RIDGID vac and the quick click separator. They take up minimal space. I have multiple Cen-Tec dust hoses that connect to all of my different shop vac applications. And I also have the Quick Connect system for Cen-Tec Systems, which pairs very well with a lot of my tools and different attachments. I even use this setup to clean out cars in the garage. And so this is a multi-purpose garage. It's not just a workshop. So there's a lot of options you have when choosing a shop vac. One of the reasons to go with a separator like this is because this is a 5-gallon shop vac. Not a lot of volume in here, and I use a filter and a bag. That helps with fine particles. This quick click separator has a container, and so when you're collecting your dust and your wood chips, it will go into the container instead of the filter and bag. And it will keep your shop vac running smoothly and not get clogged up. Instead, you'll be emptying the container, the 5-gallon bucket in this case, when all of the dust falls down to the bottom. Now, you'll notice that I don't have any shop vacs on the floor. I keep my RIDGID shop vac and dust hopper on top of my tools here. This keeps it out of the way and connected to my boom arm, which I can still reach the entire shop. For my wall mounted setup, I keep those on the wall and out of the way so that I can access all the floor space and keep everything swept up nicely. When it comes to dust collection accessories, I do have wall mounted options for those that I 3D print and developed myself. If you're interested in those, I will have links in the description below that'll take you to Maker World website to download those and 3D print them yourself if you'd like. If there's one thing I learned in woodworking, it's this: convenience matters to me more than perfection. I didn't need to get my shop spotless every time. What I needed is to collect dust at the source, easily accessible with wall mounted or top of tool storage mounted dust collection options for convenience. Part of that convenience is a remote switch to trigger my dust collection setup. This has been a real time saver and allowed me to mount my dust collection out of the way. Now, what you may be asking yourself, is a shop vac enough to keep me safe? Well, for the weekend woodworker, I do believe a shop vac is all you need. It's going to protect you from the fine dust. It's going to capture as much as it can. And with proper filters, HEPA, the bags that are used, dust separators, it's going to last a while and capture those particles. Now, if you're a professional woodworker and have a large shop, you're going to need a purpose-built system. 2 horsepower, 3 horsepower, those are options for larger shops. Also, if you're working a lot with fine dust, you may want to look into dust extractors. They're a little bit more pricey than shop vacs, but they extract more dust and help separate, including HEPA filtration, those fine particles. Now, if there's one thing that I've learned, it's that I should have paid attention to workshop dust collection when I first started my woodworking journey. Now, I am very thorough in my dust collection setup. And honestly, after some time, it has been an exciting journey to set up my dust collection in my workshop and in my garage. I've thought about and detailed how I want to run hoses and piping. I've 3D printed different accessories to make that simple for me and accessible and convenient. And as a result, woodworking has become more enjoyable. I can take the burden out of the equation of having to clean up after myself when I have access to dust collection at my fingertips. Just simply solving problems of dust collection has made woodworking more enjoyable for myself and for my family.